guys, Sacred Black Sheep with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Beyond Lemuria Oracle Cards Pocket Edition by Izzy Ivy. I've just been kinda trying to find other Oracle cards to use with the abundant tarot cards that I have. Includes 56 cards, Wisdom of Our Ancient Future. Don't mind my background, I'm watching Beastar. Probably need to turn it down a little bit. Copyrights and shit. It says, transform shadow into light and live in your truth and reclaim wholeness as you step into the memory, magic, and healing of Lemuria. Izzy Ivy fuses wonder with all-knowing depth, strength, and loving guidance. This unique deck is seeded with symbolism to invoke connection, recalling and expanding consciousness for you and our world. So let's get the cracking. Probably the wrong key to use. Try this one maybe. Yeah. So I end up finding these. I'm probably too close to the camera, which is like making me very loud. Yeah. So I end up, of course, getting these on Amazon. I feel like I'll find everything on Amazon. And I'm kind of on this thing of like, from now on, well, it's not going to be for all because I won't be able to find them like that. But I feel like from now on, I need to buy like small editions, like little pocket size editions, because sorry about that, space wise, and then travel, if I want to be able to switch between my decks, it helps when they're at a smaller size for conveniency. But this was I guess my flip through, unboxing and flip through. Oh wow, those are nice. Just a little description about the illustrator and author, or the creator of this deck, of this oracle. You can check her out. That's her website. This is telling you how to use the cards. Oh, here you go. Oh, maybe because I got it backwards. That's why. So, yeah. Earth Star Chakra Initiation. Look at that. Root chakra, ground and center. Sacral chakra, core and creation. So they're basically just going to go through the chakras. Maybe I can also do that as well. My projector is probably in the way. The solar plex chakra, radiant illumination. To dragonfly. Heart chakra, unfurling back to love. Heart chakra, ecstatic bliss. High heart chakra. I'm like, I thought I already read heart chakra. Throat chakra, express your truth. Third eye chakra, penile perspective. Lotus flower, I believe. I could be wrong. Crown chakra, unlimited self. Wait, unlimited? Yeah, unlimited self. Soul star chakra, merging the divine. Oh, I don't think I really showed it off. Yeah. Dragons. Aether, the seamless, unspeakable. Yeah, I thought I was going to be able to probably do back-to-back videos, but the way this energy is set up right now, I'm a little bit tired, unfortunately, which I also feel like is a setup. Water, the overflow. I mean, I just ate too, so I probably got the itis as well. It's kind of late too, but I don't know. Air, paradigm shift. Oh, that's beautiful. Like Mother Earth. Or Gaia, right? Earth. There you go. Nurture nature. Ooh, look at that. Fire. Solaris. Yeah, Solaris Sublime. Love, compassion. Ooh, I like the details on this one. Awakened awareness. Oh, look at the dolphins on the side. Oop. Yeah, I need to take a little nap and then get back to the rest of the video, or the next unboxings. Alignment, exactly. Take a little nap for me to align myself. Yeah. Excuse me. They really don't want me to make this video. Balanced forces. Balanced forces. Beyond the mind. The heartbeats, right? Isn't that from the Sacred Rebels deck? Oh yeah. Communication co-creation. Crystal keys. Endless opportunities. Evolution. Freedom. Dragonfly. Full spectrum. I done like dozed off for a second. Furid and feathered friends. Oh, that's like getting in touch with nature, right? Pocahontas style, or what's her name, Snow White? Who communicated with the animals, right? Gracious receptivity. Ooh, look at that union right there. Infinity. Harmonic flight. So somebody wants to be in harmony and then take flight. That's cute. I'm a little, yeah. Let's see. Healing. Home. Internal explorer. The eternal explorer. Journey of wholeness. Journey to wholeness, I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't drop something. Life force energy, exactly. I feel like that's what's happening right now. My life force energy is being taken from me. Luminescence. Manifestia. Is that the grid? Some type of pattern, right? Mount Shasta. New blueprints. Our ancient future. Radical expansion. Realm bridger. Oh, wow. Reclaim your energy. Exactly. How I just took a deep breath and then, okay, I need to. Now that one wanted to get away from me. What is that? She of the Lotus. Also, after this, I'm going to do a shuffle and see what pops out because I'm going to see what is speaking to me right now. Wow. Shine your light. That's probably going to be the one that actually stands out. Starseed Elemental. Starseeds. Starseed power. Starseer. Ooh. Activation. Ooh. Stepping through. Ooh. Surrender. Surrender to the cause, right? The infinite. Look at that cat. Is that evil eye? Or is that a stone? The portal keeper. Oh, we do have a portal coming up in August. You know, Lionsgate 88. Did I just hear that? Ow. The sound of the universe. Oh, wow. The violet flame. Transformation. You trust your inner sense. Your inner sense. Not your innocence, but your inner sense. More dragons. Vulnerability. And the final card. Unique gifts. Alrighty. Cause like maybe if this shuffle will wake me up before I go back to sleep. Cause ooh. And then watch, as soon as I get off recording, right, I'm gonna be having the energy again. That's how it usually goes. Excuse me. It's like somebody really didn't want me to work. And you know what? What is that? Beyond the mind. There we have. And vulnerability. And also, okay, well, it says, beyond the mind moves us through logistics of life so we can function in the world. However, endless mental chatter, self-doubt, limiting stories, and subconscious programs can keep us in our suffering. Step outside mind-based limitations. Looking at the things in an overly logical way will hinder you and obstruct access to your superpowers. The past may be running you and making your mind spin so you cannot see what is really in front of you. Consider what your heart and gut are telling you. What would the situation at hand feel like if you released all fears and worries? Are these concerns even yours? Oh, wow. Oh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing and flip through. Oh, well, I'm not going to read vulnerability because I'm, again, tired, but y'all can check that out. Oh, all right, well, y'all take care. I'm going to take a nap and try to redo this setup again with the rest of these because I actually want to have like a setup show series instead of just doing like unboxing videos. But all right, y'all take care. Bye.